This is what it's like when you're using a project with a whole bunch of dependencies that you don't fully understand, and that connects to the internet a lot and downloads stuff a lot and builds and configures stuff a lot. It's not as simple or elegant as it should be, but that's mobile. Scanning the QR code. Oh, whoa. Warning, error boundary should implement get derived from get state error invariant violation. Text strings must be rendered within a text component. This is going to require some further education. So, getting started. When you want to build a package, npm start is the thing to run from the folder that your project is in. So we've already done that, and if your browser is configured correctly, your package will open up in the browser window. Just ignore these errors for now. So the reason we were having trouble was because this SGML right here was not written correctly. Just ignore these red commented out sections for now. This particular flavor of SGML is called JSX, which was invented by Facebook, and it is not HTML. And that's really all you need to know about it. There are components, and by the way, any time you see something on the web which shows HTML tags like h1 and center in a JSX block, that's React.js, not React Native. React Native does not have web stuff, but more on that in a minute. So view, that's one of the basic components, and text is another, and there's a very specific syntax for that. Just the basic app without the WebView does work. I'll pull up a screenshot of that for you here. And if we want to do more advanced stuff, the third commonly used basic component is, yes, WebView. Unfortunately, the powers that be at Facebook decided that this was not a priority. For reasons I don't quite understand. They call it the slimmening, because they want to get the apps down to less than 15 megabytes, but at the expense of what is arguably React Native's most useful feature. So they've offloaded that to this repo. Whoops, here's, yeah, React-Native-WebView, and so in terms of search engine optimization, if you search for React Native WebView, you will be redirected to this new replacement thing, which is, okay, 3 days, okay, so I mean it's still being updated, but it is not the WebView that actually comes with the React Native app in Expo. That component is this one, the deprecated component, where you just do import WebView from React Native, as opposed to import WebView from React Native WebView. The instructions are pretty clear. You, where are they? Right here. You install it using a package manager. Now, I don't know about Yarn. I don't know where that comes from. I know about NPM. NPM is the de facto package manager. You have to do it from the project folder. Alright. And if this doesn't work, it's not my fault, it's the fault of shitty documentation. Okay. And, well, it's kind of stuck. Oh, there it goes. Minimal example with inline HTML. Okay, so let's just copy that verbatim. Okay. And reloading on the phone by long pressing the square and then... Not only did it fail to resolve the module, but while it failed to resolve the module, it found some other interesting red text. Was successfully found. However, this package itself specifies a main module field that could not be resolved. None of these files exist. Index.js, index.js. Well, we can always try the deprecated version, right? So, import WebView from React Native. Okay. Reloading on the phone here with all that lovely touchscreen interface. And we got an error again. Invariant violation. So next time we're going to take a look at how to use the WebView module in React Native with Expo.